Today is day 5, and I'm gonna be trying something different today. I'm gonna try out my scalp massager. So my hair is oiled because I did a scalp massage because I'm still doing the castor oil thing. So I'm gonna see how this works because I got the oil on my hair, so a bad idea. I should have done the rice water after, but I felt like doing a scalp massage with the oil because it just feels good. So hopefully this penetrates this oil somehow. And I'm gonna do the same thing that I did yesterday. I'm gonna what is that called? Just spray a little bit. I'm not gonna spray a lot. And just massage it in. And I think because I moisturized and sealed and washed my hair with nothing but moisturizing products, my hair doesn't feel as dry as it did first application. Because the night after or the day after that first application, I was like, oh baby, this is dry, but it feels nice and moisturized. So hopefully the rice water can get on up in there. So I'm just gonna take this. When I tell you this thing feels so good, if you do not have one of these, you need one. I'm gonna mess around and fall asleep right here, standing up doing this. I usually do 5 minutes on each side, but for the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna film all of that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm going to put the shower cap on, and I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna take my shower cap off and let my hair air dry. My hair is soft, nothing has changed, the itching has stopped. I don't remember if I said that, but the itching stopped as of day 3, so yeah, it's a plus. So yeah, itching stopped, hair feels nice and moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I'll see you guys for application 6. As far as how my hair feels, it's still super duper soft, and I think that has something to do with all of the moisturizing steps that I did when I washed my hair on Wednesday. So yeah, my hair is still super duper soft. My roots feel like less moisturized, but it's not as dry as it was. Woo! When I woke up from night 3, it was hay. Like, it felt like hay. So I don't know if you've ever been to a farm as a kid on a school trip. Yeah, that's exactly what my hair felt like. Hay. So I was not feeling it. I had to wash my hair and give it moisture and all of that stuff. So I'm just spraying this how I normally do. I just like this spray bottle better. Like the application, the way it sprays out is a little better. And I'm using both my hands because this is new, so it's like hard to spray out. Like hard to press the nozzle down. I'm gonna get a good amount of this on here. So forget the edges. And the rice water still smells sour, but again, you can't smell it after it dries. But it does smell like spoiled milk. And I heard that rice water is supposed to prevent premature graying. I guess it's too late for me, child. Child. If this rice water can turn these black again. honey, because I was in CVS the other day just staring at the black rinse. I was like, oh, should I do it? Oh my gosh, should I do it? I'm not even gonna say here a lot of y'all. I'm shiny because I just did my skincare, but I have been so lazy and I'm a procrastinator, so I'm going away for a while, and I have not been feeling like catering to my hair. So I've had these twists in my hair, and as you can see, me doing the rice water treatment, like my roots are dry. I wouldn't say my scalp is dry because, like I stated before, I'm still doing the castor oil treatments. My the length of my hair is nice and moisturized. You can see it's all shiny and stuff, but girl, this still, girl, I've been wearing hats. I'm over it. So unfortunately, this is day 7. I'm wearing my natural hair on my vacation. Oh, that's a cute little twist out. But yeah, everything is the same as what I said prior to, I definitely feel the strength. I haven't even washed my hair. Today is Saturday, and it is the 13th of February. And yeah, this is what my hair looks like. So the length of my hair, nice and moisturized, and the roots. So this is day 7, and I've been walking around with a hat on the entire time, not catering to my hair. I just do the rice water treatments, so spray the rice water, massage like I've been doing, and on days that I'm doing my castor oil massages, I just go in on the root, and then every now and then, on days like today, I'll go ahead and moisturize and seal. So today I'm using the Shea Moisture Sugarcane Extract and Meadow Foam Seed Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment with Marshmallow Root. Baby, change the name of this or something. Just call it the Marshmallow Root Leave-In Treatment. So that's what I'm using. I also have a spray bottle full of, I put hot water in here. I just let my sink hot water run and I put it in here because I knew by the time I was done with my skincare it would be warm. So that's what's happening now. It's warm. So I'm going to be spraying that on the length of my hair and putting this on it, sealing it, rice water treatment. So I'm really tired. It's not even the 13th anymore. It's the 14th. Happy Valentine's Day, because it is 1:07 a.m. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and that's pretty much it. That's it for this week. It was a successful week. Definitely was. I definitely enjoy this treatment. Like, I twisted my hair, and look at my roots. Look at my roots compared to moisturized hair. You can tell because this is all nice and dark and shiny, and then it's like my roots. Oh, you guys like my nails? If you're in Brooklyn, check my Instagram for where I get my nails done. She's super duper awesome. My nail tech, and her name is May, and she does the dang on thing. There's another nail tech in there. Her name is Cece. My friend loves Cece. She does the dang thing too. So yeah, got my nails done like that for Valentine's Day. And the scent from this hasn't gotten worse. Just smells the same to me. And I made another batch for week 2. So that is currently fermenting. If you want to know how I made my rice water treatment, I'll leave it in the end cards as well as in the description box below. After putting it in my scalp and massaging it in, the smell that it does have, it's not settling into my bonnet or my pillow or anything like that. So I didn't notice any drastic changes in my hair, like as far as like negative effects going on with my hair. It's pretty much the same. All right, you guys, so I just finished moisturizing and sealing my hair. So I'm just gonna spray some of the rice water on my roots. I'm not gonna do too much because I want my hair to be dry by tomorrow morning. And I'm just gonna massage it in. Like this. It should be enough. So I'm just gonna gently massage it in. Not how I normally do because the nails. So I'm gonna try to massage a little bit. Best way that I can. Get it in there. I feel like my scalp does need a little cleansing, but we're gonna worry about that tomorrow, or rather today, later on today. I'm so tired, Lord knows I'm falling asleep with this on my head, and my hair is not going to be dry in the morning. So, yep, that is pretty much it. So the week is complete. So today is day 7. So the week is definitely complete. And yeah, everything is pretty much the same. When using the rice water, my scalp feels dry. The rest of my hair stays moisturized, which is great because I want my strands to remain nice and moisturized. And then, you know, I wash, well, for this week I only washed once, which was, because I washed my hair Friday, and then I washed it again this Wednesday. So yeah, I only had to wash and deep condition once this week. So I feel like I should wash my scalp later on. I'm gonna keep saying today because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, but yeah, I might wash my hair, and then again I might not. I don't know. I've been very lazy and very tired lately. So yeah, not a drastic change to my hair. I just noticed the dryness, and then the rest of my strands are nice and moisturized. Not gonna film every day because I feel like it's getting, you know, repetitive. But I am going to film maybe once a week, or if I notice, you know, positive change in my hair or a negative change, that I'll come back and tell you guys. But again, I am going to be doing this for 8 weeks. So for the next 7 weeks, I'll just pop in here and there and give you guys updates on what's going on. So for now, we're gonna end this little series that I created of you guys watching me apply and massage the rice water into my hair. Because I'm lazy right now and I'm tired, I didn't add much of the rice water, and plus I just moisturized and sealed, so I want to keep the moisture in my hair for as long as possible. But I may add a little bit more in the morning to my scalp and massage it in just to make sure I added enough, you know, because no one really says how much you're supposed to add to your hair when using it as a leave-in, or using it as a rinse, for that matter. No one ever gives measurements. They give measurements to make it, but never measurements to use. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, tuning in and hanging with me. And thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.